Snow. So we got about 4 inches of snow before it turned to rain, which it is doing now. But the point of this video is for me to tell you guys, I want to apologize in advance because I'm going to be stretching some content. If you guys saw that video, yesterday I posted a video of when I took that trip out to Pittsburgh and out to Ohio. I broke that trip up over 3 parts because it was like almost a 45-minute video. So where there were natural breaks, I did break it up, and there's 3 parts to that video. Unfortunately, my plan was to post the video on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of this week. Today being Wednesday, I'm shooting this one in real time. Unfortunately, I ended up having to send my camera in for repairs. It's covered under warranty, or at least so far it seems to be covered under warranty. There was a bit of a speck or a bit of debris that was stuck under or inside of the lens, and it was coming out on some of the videos. If you guys watched my son's basketball game from over the weekend, from on Sunday, there was a speck. I thought there was a problem with the display on the back of the camera. Come to find out, it was actually inside the camera on the lens. So I filed a warranty claim, and it was sent back for repairs, or sent in for repairs. So I'm gonna be waiting for that to finish up. Because I'm gonna be waiting for that to finish up, they're talking about possibly like a 2-week turnaround time. Therefore, I'm gonna have to stretch out some content over the next 2 weeks, at least to start. So again, I want to apologize because the next 2 weeks are gonna be kind of spread out. I will still be doing a live stream, so tonight we'll be doing a live stream. But other than that, there won't be any new content, anything new for at least another 2 weeks or so. So thank you as always for watching. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. I appreciate your feedback down below. Ask me a question, we can talk about it tonight. I'll see you guys next time.